Hey everyone, I appreciate you stopping in today. I have my Lurella beauty box. This one is super light. Super light. This never has the weight on it. Some boxes are super heavy, but this one, I don't know, super light. Doesn't mean anything though. This is $29.99 a month plus tax, I do believe. Free shipping in the US. It just literally came today. I have not even opened it. All Lurella beauty products, makeup, skincare, accessories, merch, palette, every box, you know. Let me see if I can get into this. They tape these very well. You get 5 to 7 full-size beauty products. Their brushes are phenomenal also. So, this is how the box is. This is going to be their Christmas box for sure. So the palette scares me because it could be a lot of red. So this is what it looks like. Warriors right there, so I can't just right here. Then you get a list on the back. Lately they've been putting extra products in, which has been fun, that are not on the card. So let's open up and see what we have. Oh, how cute. Always has the, you know, the packing airbags, which is always great. So we're going to get the first thing I see. Xmas Beauty Sponge. Look how adorable. How adorable is that? Where are they at? $10. So one is, you know, these are, and they are, I don't know if you guys can see that. They do have like the flat edge on them, which I do love them kind of sponges versus the true teardrop. One is, that's a huge sponge when that gets wet. The other one's probably normal size. Look at the packaging. How adorable. I do like that. Here, what are you? Beauty Sponge Protector. And this is $6. How do you put, I guess you put it inside. You open. Taped, and taped. So is the bottom taped? No. Yes, the bottom's taped too. It looks like the bottom might be easier to get into than the top. Maybe not. Okay, where are you taped? So it's probably just a holder. Let's see. Oh yeah, it's a holder. And it's silicone, which is nice, because then that doesn't get all moldy and funky. Right here it says Lurella, so it is silicone. It has the opening. Get this out. Ooh. 2 sides, so technically you could put 2 of them in there if you really wanted to. Then you put your blender, like if you're traveling, or even if you want to on your vanity or dresser, wherever you do your makeup, and then at least it gets air to dry. That's really nice. I don't have that. Cute. So far, so good. Here we have tweezers, hair tweezers, which I don't mind. We haven't had them in a while. $5 value. I'm not going to take these out. I have so many pairs of tweezers, but I appreciate every one of them because they are expensive. What are you? A glitz mirror. Oops. Right here. $8 value. Are you taped now? Okay. Love it. Ooh, and I have pink. I have pink. It has pink on the back. I never get the pink ones. I always get white or black. How cute. Oh, pink mirror. Oh, it lights up. Let me see. Oh, batteries are in it. Oh, it does. It lights up. You can see the light up. Well, that's pretty. That's kind of blinding now. Ooh. Maybe without glasses it would be. No, that's a little bright. Okay, take that off. And the battery goes in the back. That's really nice. I like that. Oops. Put you back in the bag. That's really cute. Oh, that's what this is. I was like, what is this? Right here. A silicone pad in white. And this is a silicone phone pad worth $3. I don't have my phone over here. Where is my phone? It's over across the room. It's across the room. All right, let me see this. Okay, let's see what this is about. it out of the package. Okay, now let's break the seal. Oh, so it adheres, and then I guess with all these, your phone would stick to it. I don't know if I would trust my phone stuck to that. I don't know about that. I'll have to test it out. I mean, I won't stick it down to anything, but I'll have to see. I'm going to leave that out of the package for right now. Then we have a couple. Oh, we have two more. Okay. We have two individual products. Two individual brushes, LC 17 and 20. I'm not going to open these. Sometimes I share these, just the individuals. So they're both shadow brushes. There's your blender and packer. You can put shadow on with both of them. $8 value. Put them here. And then we have a lip liner. What's that on here? Rudolph Red Lip Liner, $4. Oh, my skin is so dry. Let's open this up and see. Just made a cup of coffee after dinner. We eat early in this house because people have to, somebody has to go to bed early for work. They have to go to bed at like 5:30. So, and now this is going to be a true red liner. Let's see if it's a pencil. Oh, it is. It's a true pencil. Red. We're going to try that. Yeah, let me see. Oh, that. Oh, now that's creamy, though. That's nice. I have a couple red lipsticks that I might rock this Christmas, so I might keep that. I think I have one other red liner. And let's look at this palette. Huge palette. And they always send, make sure nothing's on it, an invoice in with your, like a packing slip, which is nice. Nice little sleeve. This is super light. Where's the seal for this? I haven't seen what the palette looks like, but let's see. And the reindeer eyeshadow palette is $16. Oh, cute. Difficult to store, but cute. Okay, let's get you out. This is what it looks like. Adorable. Oh my gosh, my skin is like, I have such a, by the side of my finger is so cracked. I'm putting like oil on it to help. Oh, and it pulls apart. So this side has a mirror on it. Cute. Now this is not bad. I thought it would be way brighter, bright reds and all that good stuff, but it's not. That's adorable. Hard to store. This will be hard to ship too because it's big. Lots of neutrals. Red glitter. A red, like a brown, like a brownish red. Some glitters. I'll give you another look. That's really cute. I do like that. I like the shape of it. I like the nice mirror. Is it magnetized? And it is magnetized. So I'm just holding the back part of the palette. So it is magnetized to stay together. That's adorable. That is so cute. Cute, cute, and cute. So that's the Lurella box for December. I think they did a good job. I mean, everything in there is really nice, usable. Start tossing boxes. Red lip liner, 2 individual brushes, the palette. This is packaged beautifully. The little mirror, that'd be good for a handbag travel. Silicone sponge holder, tweezers. Yeah, we could have done without them. Well, this we could have clearly done without. I don't think that kind of fits the box whatsoever. And then the adorable palette. $60 value. Their box values used to be a lot higher. I noticed they're putting in a lot of less expensive items these days. But here's the card. Right here. December subscription box. I like it. Like I said, I could do without these. Because, you know, we've gotten plenty of them. This, I think, is just like a filler type thing. Like almost like a Temu type of product, Wish, all them. But everything else is really nice. I'm not going to complain. For $30, $30. I'm trying to think what I pay plus tax. Whatever my tax is. I couldn't even tell you. 8%, 9%, something like that. So I really don't pay. I think it's $32 or $33. It's definitely worth it. I mean, between the sponge set and the palette, that's $26, you know. So yeah, am I getting a decent value? You know, for you're basically double. So it's a $60 value and you pay 30, I think it's 32 something or something like that. So that's why I said that, you know, they're still good boxes, but the values used to be 80, 90 some dollars, sometimes like 108. Now it seems like they're putting products like this in and like this in, which are super, you know, cheap. Even, you know, 2 brushes for $8. They, for the end of year box for Christmas, they could have put, you know, a 5 or 6 piece brush set in and done without like the tweezers and the phone holder, stuff like that, and give you a little bit more practical items. But I'm always happy with this one for the most part. Does anybody get Lurella? If you do, let me know. Did you love your box? I just got it today, so hopefully everybody got them like yesterday, today, or you will be getting it soon. But like this for me is like priceless because they're great in your handbag. I have one that's always in my travel bag. You know, you never know when you need a little mirror. I use the one that I have in my pocketbook all the time. You know, I get an eyelash in my eye, something's in my eye. I want to touch up my lipstick. And yeah, I can, if I'm in my car, I can use the mirror, my rear view, stuff like that. It's so much easier to pull that out. It's lit, get the lipstick on again, or just like touch up powder. So they do come in handy. I know, I think last year, was it last year or the year before, we got the big handheld mirror from them. I would like to see that again, even though I don't need it again, but like things like that, or some of their bigger mirrors, like do away with a lot of this other little incidental stuff and like give us a decent, you know, lit up mirror. That would be nice. Doesn't have to be huge, like even just like a little like table one that you could sit and do your makeup on that lights up around the side. I think that would come in handy and be a wonderful item to add to your box. Like I said, you could do away with, you know, 3 of those items and give us something like that. Greatly appreciated. So have a wonderful day. Thank you all for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye for now.